my green bean casserole. I'm just parboiling my green beans for a couple of minutes, that's it. I'm going to drain and cool down my green beans because I don't want them to overcook. I'm going to, in a casserole, they're gonna go into the oven. So drained, cold water. And you get the picture. I'll keep on cooling them down. Look how green, bright and green my green beans are. Right, just gonna leave them there and then continue. It's just in a hot pan, I'm going to add bacon and some onion. I'm gonna stir it and I'm gonna saute it for a bit. And this is the base for my green bean casserole. Add some garlic. I'm going to now add my soup, undiluted, mushroom soup, cream of mushroom soup. Milk. And grated cheese. Fold in your green beans. And then we're going to transfer this to the baking dish. We're going to top our casserole with some cheese. And some fried onions. You can buy them fried or you can make your own. Okay, my potatoes are in water. I'm putting a vegetable stock pot rather than salt, and that adds to the flavor. There we go. If you fancy making your own cranberry sauce, I have here some cranberries, just one punnet, some water. I'm adding some orange juice, fresh orange juice, nothing like it, and some orange. I'm just gonna let it simmer. I'm gonna mix it and let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes until it starts to sort of thicken and all this sugar has, you know, melted and dissolved. Look at the state of this. How gorgeous is it? That's done, perfectly done. Let it cool down and that's it, ready to serve. Next, I am making a chestnut sort of puree, very loose, which will be almost like a sauce, and it's gonna be a bit sweet. So there's some chestnuts, and I just bought the packet chestnuts, some evaporated milk, and a little bit of sugar. Let's simmer it in a low heat, keeping an eye on it, and then we're gonna blitz it. And here is our chestnut mixture, and I'm going to use an immersion blender and blend it. I have this beautiful corn-fed chicken. It's just 3 of us, as I keep on saying, so I don't need anything bigger than that. I don't need a whole turkey. And then I have made a butter with salt and a little bit of garlic salt. I've got some garlic cloves, some lemon, and some onion. I'm going to put the onion at the bottom of my roasting pan along with the garlic, right? And this is going to be like the cradle for my chicken. And I'm gonna put some of the lemon, but not all of it, right? Because I am going to put some lemon inside of the chicken, and I'm gonna rub this butter under the skin of the chicken. Okay, so with my fingers, I'm separating the skin from the flesh, right, on the breast. I'm gonna take some of my salt and I'm just gonna shove it in there, spreading it all around, and that is going to permeate all of the chicken. So I'm just putting a bunch of butter in my fingers, bringing them in under the skin and spreading it under the skin, yes? And I'm gonna go from the bottom and from the top. And then if you massage the skin, that'll help spread that butter. I'm going to put the rest, spread it all around the breast. I'm going to start my chicken breast side down. I'm just gonna shove my lemon in here. And then here's my roasting tin. Here we go. That chicken is surrounded. It's not touching the bottom. It's surrounded by my onion and other seasonings. And what that means is that I can then use those juices to make my gravy, which will be delicious. Chicken in, 140. There you go. We'll be cooking for another, I don't know, half an hour. Gorgeous, luscious, brown, tasty gravy made with just with a bit of flour, scrapings of the roast, and the potato water, and it is delicious.